From complete chaos comes them all going to their own coop in order and in the right place. Takes them a second, but they will all settle. From chaos to perfect synergy. Guineas, chickens, living in perfect harmony. My black Marin's always the first to come up. It's hard to get them. Roosters can't get to them up there. That's why I made real cheap branches on some parts. That way it won't hold a bunch of weight. And that way a rooster ain't gonna try nothing stupid. But he will just knock it. He could just walk it right off of there. Then there's a solid one too. And then the center one. The backbone of the build. I built these. They're pretty simple. It's a 12 foot and 2 12 foots and 2 10 foots as the base. And then 3 14 foot cattle guard. There they are over there leaning against the fence. Clyde! Clyde! What do you got, Clyde? What are you trying to cover up? Huh? Oh, you trying to hide your food? Why? Just eat that shit. Don't hide it. He's trying to set a trap. He pushes it under there, hoping a bird will go under there, which has already happened twice now that I had to get a bird out from under there. Unharmed. Just scared. He likes to play with them. Come on, guys. It's time to go up, man. Hey, don't be sidestepping. There ain't no sidestepping around here. Get it, 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 get it. Oh, heck no. Hey! Hey! That's sad. She gotta run up in there, act like she's having an egg. Get away from your horn dogs. This is when they act, the roosters, as they are going into their precepted, scheduled housing facilities. These stud muffins, 1, 2, and 3, catch them as they go in. Oh, I'm sorry, that's 1 over there. And then there's 2. There's 3. And that other one got kicked out and runs with the guineas. He's a guinea rooster. He's keeping a guinea. Yeah, there's a little taste of what's going on. No! 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 Cat Williams is way too young to be, and way too small of a breed. You picking on like, you're messing with like a midget for no reason. It's messed up. I hate bogies. Oh gee! Where you flying off to, pretty boy? It's time for y'all to lay you down, lay you down. Y'all go and lay you down. Get up in your house. It's time to shut the door. Come on, everybody. Let me hit the flow. Come on out. Come on, guys. Up, up. Kennel up, kennel up. Kennel up, kennel up. Kennel up, kennel up. Not kennel out, kennel up. Come on, guineas, kennel up, kennel up. Guineas are so smart. They understand everything you say. Now, if they're gonna listen, that's a whole nother thing. You see, I said get up, right? All but two goes in. And if I wait for those two, they will all walk out of there by the time that I decide to shut that door. Or I can just leave two out and they'll be in that other coop. But then they're gonna cry all night long. So I have to decide. Am I gonna shut that door? Or, oh, too late. Here comes the first. As soon as the first one walks, okay, they trade. See, here they start coming out. Now I almost got three out. Right now there's still just two out. One traded places. Here comes the third. Come on, go in. Yo, kennel up! Kennel up! Come on, guys, kennel up! Time to kennel up! Kennel on up! Always two lookouts. They get stuck out. Alright, I'm going to shut that door. Oh, it's too late. Here they come. They're all going to leave. Now the other one went in. You see that? Now if I chill, they'll all go back in. All but one at least. Okay, now there's more out than in. Come on, guys, kennel up. Come on, guineas, kennel up. Kennel up. I feel you, homie. I feel you. Kennel up, guineas. Come on, Guinea. Kennel up. Thanks for pushing him home. Now go on and get in the house. Damn it. If that one goes in, they will all go in. If he doesn't, they're all going to come out. Now they hopefully will all go into this one. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Only two left. Which I think I'm just gonna leave them in that other. Damn it. You gotta react quick, because these guys, they're like ADD. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. I got ADD. It's not a flaw. Multitasking is a skill. If I don't get them in their house before night, they'll go hit a tree or go across the street. And that's what they're planning right now. You see how they're looking? Come on, Guinea. Kennel up. Come on, guys. Here. Woo! Get out of here, Leghorn. Stirring everything up. Oh, gee. Stop. No. Pow, pow. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get what? Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Alright, I'm shutting this one, so y'all don't have a choice anymore. Go in. Alright, I ain't gonna have no roosters in there. Go in there. Come on, guys. Alright, well, that's where I'm locking y'all all in there then. Now this will force the guineas to decide. Did I just see an enemy come up in y'all's hizzle? Come on, man, you need to get up in here. I know you're protecting everybody, but everybody's up at you. Oh, I guess one more still. Oh my goodness. Hey, chicken, 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 chicken. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo! Hey, get it, get it. Woo! Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Clyde will kill you. That's why he's hiding his food. He don't really like chickens. He don't mind the guineas. Go on up, player. Go on up. Cat, get in the house. No, Guinea. Guinea, out. Guinea. No, guys. Out. Y'all go kennel up. Go on. Come on, Guinea! Now give me a freaking headache, man. Kill this.